Hello everyone, Martino, the Travel Pro. Welcome. So, question. Have you guys ever wanted to travel to your destination, say via airplane, but you did not want to check in a bag, or multiple bags for that matter, and only carry on what you were going to take with you? Well, so have I, and I'll tell you what, this is what I have discovered. So, if you've been living underneath a rock and don't know, TSA has specific requirements for what you can have in your carry-on luggage. And so, today I want to talk more about the liquid portion of that. So, you are able to carry 3.4 ounces of fluid. You know, it can't be explosive fluid, but you can have shampoos, conditioners, hand soaps, etc., in there. But you can only have 3.4 ounces, which means that if you have a 16 ounce bottle and say you only have 2 ounces of product in it, they're going to take it, and because they can't measure how much you actually have in it. Also, they must be housed or contained in a clear-ish plastic, or like a clear carry-on type device. So why even carry on? I mean, so the thing, like I said earlier, was that you may not even want to check a bag, or if you're on a long haul flight and you want to freshen up, before you land, or even in the middle if you chose to, I guess. But there's been multiple flights where I have landed when I was traveling towards the west that I would arrive close to the time that I took off. And so on a morning flight, it'd be nice to, do a little freshen up, brush your teeth, or, comb your hair, or just whatever you'd want to do. I guess you could wash your hair. I've never washed my hair in a plane. I wonder how that would go. Hey, if you're one of the fortunate people that have learned how to fall asleep on a plane and you mess your hair up, well, you can always go in there and freshen up and comb it then, I guess. I haven't mastered sleeping on a plane. So I want to talk about a couple of things that I bought for my wife for some trips that we have coming up that we're going to experiment and try and things. And one of the products that we have got here today is called, it's got Bon Voyage on it. It's like a Bon Voyage, and they're like really kind of really flexible, rubbery kind of things. They got little stoppers on there. You can stick them right to your face if you want to, even. And good for going through security checkpoints. If you don't have your clear plastic, you can just stick them on there. It sticks real good. There's always comic relief in our videos. But getting on the serious side, they do have a little sticker thing here, a little suction cup. You can stick them right to the mirror. You can stick them, if it's got a glass shower door or something, you can just stick it right to the side, and it hangs there really nice. And you can put shampoos, you can put different things in there. And if you'll look, I'm going to try to get here where you can see that. I'm going to take the lid off. And then they come right apart. And then this little part right here, see, you can have, this one says shampoo. I hope you can see that. It says shampoo. Let me get it around here a little bit. There, shampoo. And then you can click it another little turn. If it's soap, you can have it say soap. And let's see what else it says. If you got lotions, it actually says lotion on it. And you just turn it to make it do what you want to do. Conditioner. That way you know what's in the bottle. It says conditioner. I hope you can see that. And then I think, sun. If you got suntan lotion in there, suntan lotion, I guess you could do that. And that is pretty much all of them. And then there's just a clear one. I guess you could pencil in whatever you wanted to put in it. But it's pretty cool. And it just snaps right together like that. I believe we got this at Burke's. But you can get them on Amazon too. I think they're like $10-15. So we'll do a follow-up and I'll let you know how well these worked out. So this right here is the beauty bag. This beauty bag, it's got, golly, I mean, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's probably 12 or 13 different things in here that come in this little carry case, and it's actually a case inside of a case. And so I got this on Amazon. I think it was, I don't know, maybe 10 or 12 bucks, 11, 12 bucks. And you could probably even get it cheaper if you had a discount code, or you get it on a special or something like that. So yeah, so this is what we got here. It's got a cool little zipper on the side. It's got a little ring that's easy to grab a hold of. So I'm going to kind of go ahead and just dig into it. Hopefully you can see all this. And then going in, let's see, we're just kind of opening it up. And it's a bag within a bag. So you could just put this in your carry-on, and then you could have this for other stuff too. You put socks and underwear, etc., or whatever you want it to. Looky here, look. We have got, oh my goodness, look at that. We've got little labels for the bottles. See, the bottles are in here, and it shows you how much product you got in those. So you could put hairspray in one. You could put face cleaner, makeup, toner, body lotion, hand creams, suntan lotion, nail polish remover, mouthwash, shampoo, just all sorts of different things in there. And they got these little things here that, and I'll pull them out here in a moment, but it's got a little funnel and everything. But they've got these cool little labels that you can kind of pencil on. You can use a pen or pencil or whatever type of writing device you want to use, and kind of label them and stick them right on there. They're little sticker things, little kitty cats and stuff on there. So that's cool. Then I'm going to go ahead and open this rascal up. And again, it's got good zippers, good zipper. And let's see what all we got. You're going to love this. We have got, to fill these babies with, we've got a little funnel. Check this out. Is that cool? That's a little funnel, the smallest funnel I think I've ever seen. So we've got a little funnel, and then we've got this little thing that goes. I'm not sure what I guess you could use it for perfume or something, but I don't know. I'm sure my wife will figure out a way to use that. Then we have got, it looks to be 2 of these pump spray bottles. There's 2 of these that the lids just come right off. You can put whatever you want in there, hairspray even, and whatever. And then the little lid, it fits on there nice too. It's kind of, yeah. And then it fits on there snug too, so you don't have to worry about it coming off. And then you just put it whatever you want in there. So there's 2 of those in there. That's cool. That's these guys, 2 of these rascals. Then we've got a pump. Looks to be like some sort of a pump spray with a little lock. It's got a lock on there. See that lock? For like hand creams, lotions, stuff like that. That you just kind of do that again. I like this little safety thing that they put on there. It does this, and it keeps it from squirting out in your bag. That's cool. I like that. Then we've got these 2, I think they're just, just empties, but I'm going to experiment with something. I bet you if you took this, I wonder if this fits on here. It's kind of a test. It may not. No, it's not going to, I can tell. But no, it doesn't. But so we've got these empty ones that you could put these heavier cream stuff in there, mouthwash, whatever you would want to put in those. Pretty cool. And they're clear, so they're TSA approved. And it says it in the description on Amazon when you go in to look. And they've got these cool little things that are like this that you can use for lip gloss, or you could use it for, I suppose you could put medication. If you had like fake eyelashes, you could put those in there too, I guess. I don't have fake ones, as you can tell. So anyway, this again is something that we're going to experiment with. We're going on a trip in the Caribbean in about 2 weeks, I think, and we're going to give this a shot. And then we'll do another follow-up video to tell you how it worked out. But there's 2 of those in there. I'm not sure what she'll put in those, but you can put whatever you want. Well, it's not explosive, right? So that's the beauty bag on Amazon. It's pretty cool. It seems like a good deal. 10 or 12 bucks. Again, you could probably get a discount code or find it on a special or something like that. But thanks for being with us today. I look forward to seeing you guys again. But Martino Travel Pro, signing off. I'll talk to you guys later. Don't forget, hit the like and subscribe button.